Officially, the municipality of Ahoy is a second-class municipality in the province of Iloilo, Philippines. The present municipality of Ahoy started as a small settlement established by the early Malayan freedom seekers on the north side of the Gubatong River near the present site of Barangay Lanhagan. The natives originally called it Asoy. A popular story of how Ahoy got its name is follows. During the Spanish era, a Spaniard who was assigned to list the names of coastal villages of this portion of Iloilo came to this place where he met a native who was gathering wood. The stranger asked for the name of the settlement. The native, who did not understand Spanish, thought he was asked what he was gathering and so answered, "Kahoy." And so the Spaniard noted down the word Ahoy, which was later changed to Ahoy, the present official name of its town. The municipality of Ahoy was formerly a part of Sara. It became a full-fledged municipality in 1917 through the untiring efforts of its educated citizens under the leadership of Dionisio Gil, Alejo Posadas, Manuel Aroñez, and Antonio Manipula. These men were mainly responsible for the separation of Ahoy from Sara. The municipality is headed by Municipal Mayor Jet C. Rojas. Ahoy is 88 kilometers from Iloilo City and 99 kilometers from Rojas City. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 53,462 people. Ahoy is a coastal municipality in the province of Iloilo. It is bounded in the north by Sara, south by Ahoy Bay, and west by Barotac Veo. Ahoy is abundant in rice, corn, sugarcane, fruits, perennial crops, tree farming, and bamboo. The fishing and agricultural town of Ahoy is quite a remote area, although it has popular islands, beaches that remain a site with minimal disruptions. Locals usually find that the island beaches are enough reason to visit the area all by itself. It has a popular restaurants and scenic mainland resorts and its own share of historical attractions. Tambobo is the festival of Ahoy. Tambobo is a Hiligaynon term used by the natives for a storehouse, warehouse, or storage structure for agricultural products. Rice is their main product and also fish. It is where you can find the 18th century ruins of Parola and the historical lighthouse built during the Spanish era, the Calabasas Lighthouse. Ahoy is a very beautiful town and the people there are very hospitable.
Embrace the passion.